Ni hao tong shui. This is your teacher, Mr. Brown. What we're doing today is we're doing our 5th recorded session for grades 1 and 2 students learning Chinese. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about fruit. Rudy and I are going to introduce a few things. I'm going to introduce some sentences. So what I would like to do first, everyone, is start off with our song, Bu Yao Shuo Yingyu, Don't Speak English. And remember the verses. Bu Yao Shuo Yingyu, Shuo Zhongwen, Don't speak English. Shuo Zhongwen, speak Chinese. We sing that twice. 我们会唱歌, which is we will sing. And then we sing that part again. And then here we're counting up to 8. 和 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's make a start. I'll just put the song words down there. And it's a great song, so join in and you can have a bit of a dance while you're doing this too. Whoops, wrong note. Try again. And ready. 不要说英语，说中文。不要说英语，说中文。我们会唱歌，我们会唱歌。不要说英语，说中文，说中文。And again. 不要说英语，说中文。不要说英语，说中文。我们会唱歌，我们会唱歌。不要说英语，说中文，说中文。和1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was great. We'll do it again. 不要说英语，说中文。不要说英语，说中文。我们会唱歌，我们会唱歌。不要说英语，说中文，说中文。和1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, everybody. Okay, I'm going to put Bluey the guitar away, and I'm just going to go get those flashcards that we use to remember what different names of fruit is. So just wait right there. Okay, everyone, I've got our fruit cards just here, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cover up the name like you can see me doing here. See if you can remember what they're called. So let's start with Rudy's favourite, the banana. Do you remember what it's called in Chinese? Let's have a look. 香蕉. Did you remember that? 香蕉. Okay, I'm going to cover up the next one. Let's have a look. Do you remember? 苹果. 苹果 for apple. Okay, here comes a strawberry. Do you remember? 草莓. 草莓. Okay, and the orange. Let's see. 橙子. 橙子. Okay, well done. Let's have another look. Here's another one, the pineapple. Let's see. 菠萝. 菠萝. Excellent. And coconut. Let's see. 椰子. 椰子. Okay, my favourites. Let's see. 葡萄. 葡萄. Good. Now, our first hard one, the plum. Let's see. 梨子. 梨子. Okay, next one. The pear. 梨子. 梨子. Sounds similar to the plum, doesn't it? Now, let's have a look at this one. Watermelon, always good in summer. 西瓜. 西瓜. Okay, and I'll just cover up this one for mango. It sounds very similar in Chinese too. 芒果. 芒果. And the last one, Rudi's least favourite, probably because of the taste, I would say. Ning meng, ning meng. Excellent. So, today what I wanted to do is introduce a new sentence. Last week, so I've got my word chart here. Last week I was using these words. I'll just take off this word here. We had war and Sichuan, and then we added a fruit, mango. Okay, so last week I was also asking Rudi a few questions too about what kind of fruit he likes. So I'm actually going to show you those words. So you might remember them from last week too. So we need this word, ni, which means you. And I'm putting that just up here on our Velcro board. And now you need this word, ma. Now ma means this is a question. So when you add ma on the end of a sentence, all you're doing, it's like adding a question mark at the end of a word. Now in Chinese, the words that make the questions are usually at the end of the sentence. In English, our question words are usually at the start. So if you think about it, when we ask something like who, or where, or how, or why, we always have that as our first word. In Chinese, the question word is usually at the end or somewhere near the end. Okay, so ni xi huan, we're going to have something. Ma. Okay, so if I wanted to ask someone if they like mangoes, I would say ni xi huan mango ma. So you like mangoes? Question. We would say, do you like mangoes? In Chinese, ni xi huan mango ma. Okay. I know what Rudi would say for this one, but we can ask it. Ni xi huan ning meng ma. Okay, so I can ask that to Rudi too. We'll see what he says. I think we already know. If I'm asking, do you like watermelon? Ni xi huan xi gua ma. And let's suppose I did like watermelon, which I do. I would answer without the ma. I would answer with wo. I'd say wo xi huan. I might even say wo xi huan xi gua. Or I might just say wo xi huan, which means I like. Okay, I better put that ma there because I'm going to do one more card. Okay, can you guess what I'm saying here? Do you like pears? Have you had a go at saying it? Say it with me. Ni xi huan lizi ma. We'll try it again. Ni xi huan lizi ma. Okay, I think it's time to go get Rudi. I'm going to ask him a few questions too. So I need to put this board away and I'll go get him. Just a second. Rudi! Wait. Here we go. Rudi! Here we are, Rudi. Oh, hang on, you're going to take your thumb. I better move my chair a bit closer. Oh, can you see all the children? Yeah, Dong Shui. He's getting used to this recording thing. I think you quite like it, don't you? But you can't wait until we're all back at school. Actually, that's going to be happening pretty soon, in a few weeks' time, so that'll be terrific, won't it? Okay, until then, let's do some more lessons. So Rudi, we're talking about fruit again. I know you like shui guo, so fruit, shui guo. So we're going to talk about if you like something. Now, we talked a little bit about this last week, didn't we? Now, I'm going to actually ask you the questions of what fruit you like, because this is a sentence which I've just shown the children. So we've got ni xi huan, then I add the fruit, and then we have ma. Okay, so you ready for that? Okay, so let's have a look. So, ni xi huan lizi ma, wo xi huan. He likes plums. Ready? Ni xi huan pu dao ma, wo xi huan pu dao. Okay, ready? Ni xi huan yezi ma, wo xi huan yezi. Very good. Okay, ready? Let's try another one. Ni xi huan ning meng ma, wo bu xi huan ning meng. Okay, I knew you'd say that. You don't like it at all. Bu xi huan. 不喜欢. Okay, alrighty, okay. Now, what do you really like? 我很喜欢香蕉. Okay, well, let's see if we can find one. 你喜欢菠萝? 我喜欢香蕉. I was just asking if you like pineapples. 我喜欢香蕉. Alright, okay, let me try this one then. Rudi, 你喜欢橙子吗? 我喜欢香蕉. This isn't a 香蕉, this is 橙子. 香蕉. Okay. Let's try this one. 香蕉. Okay, 你喜欢草莓吗? 我喜欢香蕉. Okay, Rudi, I'm starting to wonder about you. Okay, hang on. I fed you. You've had your lunch. 香蕉. Yes, you had 香蕉. 香蕉. Right, okay, two more. Rudi, 你喜欢苹果吗? 我喜欢香蕉. Ready? I'm almost scared to show you this one, so let's have a look. 对不起, Rudi. Excuse me, Rudi. 你喜欢香蕉吗? 我喜欢香蕉. Hey, settle down. Ready. He ran away. I'm going to have to go find him. Just a second. Rudi, come back here. Rudi. 香蕉.
We'll save this for later.
西瓜.
Oh, I was just about to have some afternoon tea. Oh, Rudi!
Gee, I'm looking forward to this nice yummy banana for afternoon tea. I'll just put it there and have a quick read of the paper, I think. That's interesting. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Banana time. Hang on a sec. Where's my banana? Rudi!
Well, everyone, I don't know where Rudi's gone. I'm really worried. He might have gone to school. He might have gone anywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some bananas and some great big poster bananas, and I'll see if I can get him back. I'm sure he'll have a look around, and as soon as he sees a whole bunch of bananas outside my place, he'll be back and I'll be able to catch him and then put him aside and say, Rudi, time to go to sleep. Okay, so we'll see how we go. Right, so I'm going to make one now, and I'm going to show you how to make one too. You never know, you might be able to catch Rudi as well. Okay, catch you in a moment. Okay, everyone, we're going to make a 香蕉 or a banana. Let me show you what we're going to be trying to make. Something like this. Now, for this, you need one piece of paper. You need a pair of scissors. You also need a texter or something thick like this. Something like what I'm using is good. Okay, let's make a start. Now, this is a very easy thing to make. The very first thing you need to do is to get your piece of paper and fold it in half, just like this. And I'm just making sure that the corners match. Then, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw sort of a half a smiley shape. Now, you need to make sure that you draw from the fold. So I've got this side here that opens up, and I've got this side where the fold is. So let's draw one smiley shape down here like that. It's going to be a nice big 香蕉, a nice big banana. I'm going to start my next line about here. It's about almost a centimetre away from the first one. And I'm just going to come out a little bit further like that. And now I'm just going to tie the top or join the two top lines together. Okay, from the fold, I'm going to get the scissors and I'm going to cut this out so it looks a bit like this. So just cutting along the lines like that. If you want, you can colour this in yellow a bit later on, or if you have yellow paper, that's always another good thing you can do as well. Here's my little bit more cutting to do. Okay, let's get rid of that. That can all go in the bin later on. I'll get the scissors out of the way. Now I should be able to open that up. Aha! Look at that. So it's nearly there. So now what I'm going to do, I'll just take a look at my picture again. Okay, so you see how there's that side there, and one side curves up. We're going to make this side the side that curves up. So I'm just going to put a little line there. This is like the edge of that banana. A few lines along here. Little line, I think just about there. Now to get this edge, what you need to do, you have to imagine that's about half your banana. Now you could leave your banana like this and that would be just fine. You can do that. If you want to try and get that sort of that bendy, almost boomerang type shape that bananas have, all you need to do is draw in a little bit like that for your banana. I'm going to draw in a little bit here, oops, excuse me. Draw in a little bit there. And just trying to imagine the curve that your banana would have. Now I'm going to make a little V shape here and colour that in black, because that's the very end of the banana. So you know when the banana sort of starts blackening off at the edge. Looks like that. Now I just need to get my scissors out again. So I'll just put that out of the way. Here's the scissors. Cut this out again. Cut around the edge of the banana. So it's nearly there. Now I'm almost done. Now I'm just going to write the word xiangjiao just here. I'm going to write it there. So you need, let's have a look at, oh, there's the word. X, which makes S, Si, Yang, Xiang, Xiang, and J, I, A, and O. Xiangjiao. Let's have a look at our picture there. Looks pretty good. And now I can colour that in yellow. So that's all you need to do. Well done. And when you've done that, you've got something great you can decorate your room with, or maybe put it on the fridge, or you can glue it in your Chinese book, anything like that. Well done. How did you go, everyone? Did you make a xiangjiao? Well, I've made quite a few. I'm putting them out in front of my house. I'm hoping that Rudi turns up, and I'm going to go out and look for him. So don't worry, I will find him. I'm sure he'll come back. He usually does. And as soon as he finds out where all the bananas are, then he'll be fine. And he will be back next week. So don't worry, everyone. Bao Zhong, take care. Zaijian. See you later. Have a great week.